All right, so databases, right, we all use them. But today we're going deep. Specifically, how to delete a table in SQLite using PHP. Sounds simple.
Wow, it is.
But it can also be terrifying.
Oh, yeah. One wrong move and poof, your data's gone.
Gone like yesterday's coffee.
Yeah.
So how do we avoid that? Well, luckily, this guide from plus2net.com gives us a solid game plan.
PHP SQLite delete table after checking from SLiteMaster by query. Quite a mouthful, isn't it?
Catchy, right. But hey, it gets the point across. And the point is safety first. No data casualties on our watch.
Absolutely, and that's why this guide is so great. It holds your hand through the whole process, showing you how to verify that you're deleting the right table.
Because nobody wants to be that person, the one who accidentally wiped out the entire customer database. So what's the magic formula?
The key ingredient is PDO PHP data objects.
PDO. That's kind of technical.
It is a bit, but trust me, it's your friend. Think of it as a more secure, more reliable way to talk to your database.
Okay, so it's like a translator that speaks both PHP and SQLite fluently.
Exactly. And it comes with this awesome security feature prepared statements. Imagine this. You're telling the database what kind of data to expect. So when it sees something that doesn't fit, it's like, nope, not falling for that.
So it's like a bouncer for your data, keeping the riffraff out.
Exactly. Now, in this code they provide, they're connecting to an SQLite database file, mystudent.sqlite3 to be exact, and they use the SQL command drop table to do the deed. Pretty self-explanatory, right?
Sounds about right. But I'm guessing there's more to it.
Oh, absolutely. This is where the real magic happens. Before they even think about dropping that table, they do something very clever. They check if the table even exists.
Ah, the old look before you leap approach. Can't be too careful with databases.
Exactly. And how do they do this? They use a query on this special table called SQLite
SQLite sounds important.
Oh, it is. It's like the master blueprint, the DNA of your database. It holds all the information about your tables, their names, their structures, everything.
So it's like the ultimate database directory.
Precisely. And with a simple where clause in their query, they're basically saying, hey, SQLite, I'm looking for a table named student. You seen it?
And if SQLite gives the green light, boom, table deleted.
You got it. Only then does the script actually execute the drop table command.
That's pretty slick.
Yeah.
But honestly, I'm not surprised. These guys at Plus2Net, they know their stuff.
They do, and they don't stop there. The guide also mentions using GET to potentially let a user confirm the deletion. Double the safety.
Oh, wow. So like a are you really, really sure prompt.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because once you delete a table, it's gone, baby. Gone. No take-backsies.
No CTRLZ in the database world. So besides safely nuking tables, what other database wisdom does this site offer?
Well, they also talk about updating records within a table, which is a whole other can of worms, but equally important.
Right, because sometimes you don't want to demolish the entire building, just remodel a room or two.
Exactly. And they have guides for that, too. From connecting to your database to inserting and fetching data, they cover it all.
Awesome. So we've gone deep on this whole table deletion thing. What's the big takeaway? What's the one thing listeners should etch into their brains?
Simple. Never, and I mean never, delete a table without verifying first. Think of it as your digital safety mantra. It'll save you headaches, I guarantee it.
Words to live by. Verify, then delete. This has been an eye-opening deep dive into the world of SQLite and PHP.
Indeed it has. Always remember, your data is precious. Treat it with respect.
And on that note, we'll wrap things up. But hey, here's a little something to ponder. How would you build an even more robust deletion process? Something beyond just a simple confirmation. Food for thought. Until next time.